Here we have a list of fun and engaging dance styles that would not only help you shed those extra pounds, but also elevate your mood. First, the salsa. It's fiery, rhythmic, and undoubtedly a calorie-burning celebration. Embrace the joy of synchronized, intense music and the exhilarating feeling of letting go. Next is Zumba, a dance fitness bonanza that guarantees not just a sweat fest, but an experience that takes you on a journey of rhythm and movement. It's fun, it's energetic. Then we have belly dancing, an ancient art form that on intricate torso movements, shimmy, roll, and undulate your way to achieving a toned stomach. Fourth on list is hip-hop, an urban dance style that synchronizes with beat-heavy music. Bring on those cool freestyle moves and melt those stubborn calories away. Our last recommendation is ballet, a classical dance form known for its grace and strength. It is a beautiful amalgamation of elegant movements, poise, and discipline that helps in body sculpting. It's not about being perfect, it's about having